Welcome, future Forex traders, to the Forex Genesis 1.0 course. Are you ready to embark on a thrilling journey into the world of foreign exchange trading? Well, buckle up because we have an incredible adventure ahead. In this course, we will dive deep into the fascinating realm of Forex trading, exploring its highs and lows, its triumphs and tribulations. It's an exhilarating roller coaster ride that will test your courage, resilience, and determination. Imagine a life where you have the power to work from anywhere, be your own boss, and create unlimited opportunities for yourself and your loved ones. That's the promise of Forex trading, and it's within your reach. Let's be real for a moment. Forex trading is not just a walk in the park. It's a challenging endeavor that demands knowledge, discipline, and a steadfast mindset. But fear not, because we are here to guide you every step of the way. Throughout this course, you will gain access to the invaluable lessons from the renowned FTMO Academy. These lessons have been carefully curated to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the foreign exchange market and the tools you need to succeed. From understanding the fundamentals of Forex trading to mastering technical analysis, risk management, and developing a winning strategy, this course will equip you with the skills and knowledge that will set you apart from the crowd. But remember, Forex trading is not just about numbers and charts. It's about developing a winning mindset, learning to control your emotions, and never giving up. We will share stories of successful traders who faced obstacles and turned them into stepping stones to greatness. So are you ready to seize this opportunity? Are you ready to join the ranks of successful Forex traders who have transformed their lives through dedication and perseverance? Then yes, let's embark on this journey together. Ready to unleash your potential, overcome challenges, and write your own success story in the Forex market. Welcome to the Forex Genesis 1.0 course. Roll now and take the first step towards achieving financial freedom and living life on your terms. Together we will conquer the Forex market and unlock endless possibilities. Join us on this extraordinary adventure.